Hi students, in this video, we are going to discuss about ReactJS hooks. Hooks are new addition in React 16.8. They let you use state and other React features in functions like writing in a class. So states can be added to functions in React using hooks. Example here, we are importing React and useState method from React and React library. And we have a function name example. In that function, we are going to set the state of count. So state of the count can be set using useStateOf method. Here, initial value of the count we are setting in the parenthesis as 0. And this function is returning a value. So inside the div container, we have a paragraph. You clicked count, whichever count is there, that will be written there. Initially, it is 0. You clicked 0 times. And we have a button inside this div. On click of the button event, what it should do is an arrow function is used here and count value is set here. Set count of count plus 1. So if it is 0, it will change to 1. If it is 1, it will change to count will change to 2. Whenever the button is clicked, the count will be increasing. On the button, a message words are there, click me. So we can click the button and increase the count. So the useState method is used for adding states in the function. Hooks provide more direct API to the React concepts you already know: props, state, context, refs, and lifestyle. useState hook, it is a hook, we will call it inside a function component to add some local state to it. React will preserve this state between re-rendering. useState returns a pair, the current state value, and a function that lets to update it. You can call this function from event handler or somewhere else. It's similar to this dot set state in a class, except it doesn't merge the old and the new state together. Another example for useState, here the file name is voting.javascript file. So here we are importing useState from React library. The function name is a voting and the value set here is like and dislike. Initially, like value is 0. Using useState, it is set as value 0. And dislike variable also, its value is set as 0. So they are of type constant. In return, class name is votes, style is like. We are using ternary operator here. Like, if it is greater, then dislike is the result. In dislike, question mark is there, and background color is green. If it is dislike is true, then the background color is green. Otherwise, background color is yellow. Then heading is there, props dot brand name, and heading for props dot model. On button click, set like of like will be incremented to 1. And variable name is like. And on click of button, dislike button, set dislike of plus 1. So it will dislike will increment. And in app.js file, we are importing all the necessary CSS files and voting file here. And we have function name app. In that we have brands, brand name Samsung, model S12, and brand name Apple, model i14 Pro, and brand name OnePlus, model 14. And this app returns the following. Voting brand name is Samsung, model is S12. Voting brand name Apple, OnePlus, and Redmi. And brands.map of we are using a instant variable name mob. implies a voting brand name equal to mob.name and model equal to mob.model. So it will display each time Samsung, Apple, OnePlus, Redmi, one by one with model name. Here we have seen about what is useState. It is used for setting the state and function, and we have seen examples also. Thank you.